It's a dream of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to make India into a manufacturing hub similar to what China did decades back to give its large population jobs. In an effort to make the dream a reality, India has a massive event called Make in India Week to attract investment by the biggest corporates around the world. The Indian government is laying down the red carpet and has promised reforms, easy taxation, and to make its tough business environment easier.
This century is Asia's century. My advice to you is to make India your center if you want this century to be your century.
India wants to take the share of manufacturing from 15% to 25% of its GDP by 2022. One of the major reasons for the push is the jobs that India needs to create. By 2020, 300 million people are expected to enter India's labour market. But by the current rate, it will only be able to create 8 million jobs by 2022. The Make in India Week has thousands of investors with Indian companies together to actually try and make Narendra Modi's dream of making India a manufacturing hub a reality. But it's not just about manufacturing products. It's also about technological advancement and investing in innovation. India is growing at 7%. And the Make in India Week aims at getting investment in manufacturing for sectors like electronics, defense, textile, and many more. Delegations from more than 100 countries are part of the summit to make a beeline for a country that is being seen as a bright speck in the current world economic scenario. Swedish company IKEA announced its plan to launch its first store in Hyderabad in India in 2017. The company is sourcing from India already and is planning 25 stores in India by 2025.
We have about 50 suppliers and 45,000 people are working directly today in India producing products for IKEA globally. So already today we are making a lot in India, but we are interested in making more.
But it's a long way home. India ranked 130 out of 189 countries on the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index in 2015, well behind China, Russia, and Brazil. Building its infrastructure and having a uniform tax regime for the entire country are two areas which will have to be addressed to make India's share larger in the world manufacturing basket.